Hello, greetings everybody. It's Monday the 4th and tomorrow I leave for Colorado to go visit with some friends. I have a lot planned for today. I wasn't even planning on doing this, and I actually tried to start this video a couple times and I didn't have my camera plugged in, so I was having issues with my sound and my recording. I didn't know why. I have to hop in the shower, then I have a massage planned at 1, and then I gotta pack up. So I'm not gonna be too hasty about this. We're just gonna dive right off into it. Man, I'm just looking at this. It definitely is a place for this to pull down, but everything's telling us it's trying to pull up. We have a little bit of a mixed signal here, and that's why we're whipping back and forth between these EMAs like you see here. So we've got divergences telling us long, and we've got areas telling us short. But really, I think that we are missing out on... There we go. I was about to take it, but I just let it go ahead and go. So I let it break that bottom Bollinger Band, and I said it would get out immediately when it did. I didn't get out immediately. Hey, it is what it is. Let me turn this off too. Go ahead and take the points I got here. This could definitely keep going up. It's just an area that's held it several times. I was starting to see a bit of a slowdown here. Let's see if this keeps going. I want to put another line up here. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to keep going. I just have a tolerance level that I'm working on increasing, definitely. This would have me out here if I was not already out. That pullback and pushing down, rolling over, potential reversal bars. Yeah. Oh, all right. 28 minutes in, 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. Actually, let me put this back away so I can go back here and do this real quick. Definitely chase that one, y'all. I'll probably put it on here. This one was a plus 0.0. Okay, so I got just a little hasty on, where was it? On this one, and did see signs for the exit, waited a little bit longer. Had I gotten just a little bit better entry point, I would have not been stopped out of that. But you know, it is what it is. It's what I did. So got back in plus 2 points, plus 3.75. It looks like it's really attempting to set up for another long right now. I don't like that this is outside of the Bollinger Band, so I don't feel comfortable taking a long, especially with this starting to roll over with some distance dropping in it. It's setting up for it, don't get me wrong. And let me look here. Yeah, I mean, this is a spot that held it up a couple of times. Just looking right in here. So to pull back to it and push up is not unheard of. And for this to turn around from here isn't unheard of. It just, no. Yeah, those are pulling outside, rolling off the zero line to the downside. Okay. 30 minutes exactly that I've been trading this. Done. Time to get my shower, time to get ready for my massage, get packed up. I'm leaving at like 4 in the morning for my flight. So I'm gonna try to get this done and out as quickly as possible. I hope everybody has a wonderful week. I won't be back. I'm coming back. I'll be back around midnight next Tuesday night. So I don't expect to see anything trade-wise until maybe even the following week. I have committed myself to a lot of writing while I'm gone. So I'm going to be doing a lot of just writing about day trading. If you guys have some topics you'd like me to touch on, let me know. And I will incorporate those into my writing. So I have a lot of plans for things that I want to do. It's been really, there's been a lot of great inspiration in how to keep the community together for trading, how to be able to get to your questions and things much quicker. So we're going to be working on that and moving it forward. So I hope everybody has a fabulous week, and I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.